You okay?
Yep. Very good.
Oh, be careful. Put your hands up.
Thank you.
Okay.
Here we go. Again, we are in a wild mouse spinner. It's gonna be so much fun.
I love this one. It's so fun.
Are you ready?
We are very ready. Thank you. Woo!
Oh, we go high.
This is my number 141. 141st coaster.
My 80.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. This is going to... We're getting closer to 100 for you. And this is not part of the trip, as we said, so this is +4 from the original count, and +4 for Sarah, +3 for me, since I have ridden Hangover before.
What is that?
I think this is a spinner. I'm not sure, by the way.
It is.
It is a spinner?
It is. Also at the park.
Oh yes, it's a spinner. It spins a lot. Oh my god. I hope you like this second on ride from the vlog. That way you can look at Sarah. Here we go. First drop. Woo! I think we're gonna start spin now. No, not yet. If I'm not wrong, I think this is an axle.
Let's take this place.
Oh my god, that spin is insane! Wow! I did not expect that. Wow! Oh, this is fantastic! I love this! Wow! I don't know. I wonder which number this is on the trip. Wow! Oh, that's a great spin. It looks like pretty new trains here. Oh wow! Oh my god!
That was intense.
That was some intense spinning. Wow! Oh! Ooh. Wow! That was so much fun. Again, I didn't expect that. I expected a spin, but not like that. It whipped at us. I feel like whipped cream.
Yeah.
Wow, that was coaster. I don't know what at the trip, but we have done plenty now.